Jai Kasano, Jai Tobo no. Say Afenyo Markin on there. Because on there no ko see you unim say court no. Currently no NDC court. You know. And Afenyo Markin will not even try to go and sue because my advice Afenyo Markin say Afenyo Markin me ko sue. Currently the way the judiciary is no. Who ko sue MPP, you don't have favor in the eyes of the judiciary. It is a bit of Yashadaka. Come, Opa your face, consume and show a trap.
Ubia access to information and Ubia so rational. Into Ubi Ditro and Nipano Utietro and Obuse and Yanokre. At NDC for no Suba and say, Yanokre no cran, Obek can't force their toso. Now Ubia Sebe only that information Nibino. Wakwako yede watena watiedi. Ye boy who modern free SHS near there. So nipa hina ako school. Nipa hina betumi afa court ruling no akenkan. Nipa hina sebi obetumi akasa oko internet so akwa search kaka. Nti omunim sa nti no mo chatro atonkofo etirim ka be ya ye kan ya. Mako dijwa boka 22 billion Ghana cedis. The whole Ghana fit independent. Ye more kasad on any transaction. 22 billion Ghana cedis.
The judges are our colleagues. We know them. They are our friends. We know how they enjoy legal vacation when they were lawyers. So how come say all of a sudden they tend to be as if they are working and we are lazy? That is the spirit of the ruling. As if lawyers are lazy. We don't want to. The Ghana Bar Association have spoken.
Lawyer Maurice Ampao ordinano ato nsensema hodo a ekoso mu na o kire mu se wo hwe agagefo ya sese de wonom edi yatemu dwumadi no nimu no a eyentanchia na wonom ye wonom ahyeda pa na omatu mani de si MPP adehye so a wonom pese wo hyeda tata wonom frise na nsen wo hwe ne ma hodo a ekoso no bibia di adanse se eye ne amo ho sempa na wonom ahyeda ya wonom ayo ntine de wama kwadwo Oppong Nkrumah edibem frise wo hwe nsem ahodo de kodan court a ene kamya yese ajaji mpenimfo ahodo pinu a no eye wonom wa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba ye no wapa wo mo se wonom na emra media temu dwumadi no anim nti no wo de wasem kọ na onye NDC ne dia na chese asem atowa ne sa na sa legal vacation ya eho asem di kan ba ye ya wonom kire se ajaji fo ane ya lawyer fo ne ho ahwan omunyina wonom ekọ ahomgiem Parliament nsusu kwa ahomgiem nti omu ye adwuma wa temu odwa no nim de omunyina no ekọ ahomgiem na nsusu ekoba ne sen na obi a ye nyina ye kọ ahomgiem na otemuafo anasa Attorney General woni Chief Justice Edikrata akose cases ahodo efa MPP fo ho ne de wono bekoso atran so adi asem no nti no mo hwe na wono momra court eno ene kodwo Oppong Nkrumah de Attorney General ene Chief Justice eko court said there be da asem we pa do mo hwehwe mu ye because nyane kwan so no ye nyina ye ko break ani ye ko break ye ba ne abeto asem no so eno ena ko government me ho ase bia ba ene lawyer Maurice Ampao ede mu nkyire mu bebre no aba kire se eye etan na wono mo tan MPP fo eno da nchen so a same je mfika pudu ye okoko boy ye ho aba asem so ene said ye di kan tu dwa se IMF for the nkrata aba bonten aba besan ensem ahodo a Afenyo Markin kan ye no abesan ne teacher say odibem ye no kore pa efri se ase ene no na GOLDBOD akakọ Bank of Ghana na Bank of Ghana so adania bo ifise impremprian ka Bank of Ghana abo ne dada no oji we kan ho a asem wato no to won pese obesom se we ye ono ne ka eno na atwentwene GOLDBOD fo bo akọfa nsem bebre no ade aba no ode nya daje ne yentie lawyer Maurice Ampao ne nkire mu ode baaye efa kwan ya justice poaman ene wono mo ka ho no wono mu DMPP fo ani eno da nchen so akodwo Oppong Nkrumah so de nsem kakra to dwa no so ebenya daje na yatie bibi kakra mesere se oba like video no ma me no share na ode wadwe nchede so ede aba yenkotie bibi
because I think say as a practicing lawyer adiba ko kan wo judgment etwi mi ni ye say lawyers are independent contractors. We are not part of the judiciary. Lawyers are not part of the judicial service. And you know, if the judges and the judiciary is going on vacation, if I don't bang. But Judges Poaman has and in his ruling has forgotten say lawyers are officers of the court. The fact that we are not employee of governments and now you are not part of the judicial service, doesn't mean that we don't have a stake in the administration of justice. And Justice Palmer ruling has forgotten, say, under Article 125 of our constitution, justice does not belong to the judiciary. Justice does not belong to the judges. Justice does not belong to the DUSAC. Justice does not belong to the Chief Justice. But justice emanates from the people and is being administered on behalf of the people by the judiciary. In extension, justice is for all. So judges are our servants. They are there because of the people. They are not of their own. And lawyers are also owners of justice. This is Palmer. Today I'm disagreeing with you. The way you are looking at lawyers, you were once a lawyer, and I think your ruling, you forgot is that judges, lawyers too are part of, they exercise judicial power. Because they under Article 125, no, they own justice. And lawyers are so critical in the administration of justice. Say the constitution are giving lawyers role. Say every accused person, everybody, every citizen has a right to choose a lawyer, and every citizen has a right to have a lawyer. And lawyers play a bigger role. Look, when administration of justice is without lawyers, there will be handicap. Judges will suffer. If all lawyers decide to go on demonstration and withdraw our services, how can you administer justice? Because we have the key role. We are the defender of the poor, and we assist the court. The judges are not all knowing. That's why I disagree with Justice Kwame. The judges are not all knowing. You are lawyers. Every judge is a lawyer before you became a judge. Every judge. You are our classmates. As I sit here, my classmates, I was Legon, 3 years Supreme Court judges, 1 female and 2 male. They are my colleagues at the Legon faculty. When it comes to the Court of Appeal and the High Court, they have about 7 or 8 judges, including Judge Amuyate. I don't want to mention about 7 or 8 of my colleagues are judges. And before they became judges, they were practicing lawyers. They practiced. So every judge is a lawyer who enjoy legal vacation. They all enjoy legal vacation. They traveled, they relaxed, they rest. They didn't raise an issue that we were independent contractors. No. Vacation is vacation. Rest is rest. And rest is divine. He who does not rest die early. If you don't rest, you are evil. Rest is divine. Anything that people also as I say no. Bible said on the 7th day he rested. So rest is key. And that's about the fact that you want judges should rest on the vacation, but lawyers there, we should not rest. That is why I disagree with you. Your judgment. Because if you say lawyers, we cannot rest because we are independent contractors. You know, judges can go on and rest and few work, but every lawyer should be active. And then in his ruling, Justice Palmer said, if a lawyer cannot come, he should send his genius. As if genius too are not lawyers. They are also lawyers. They are human beings. And the person will be engaging lawyer or engaging junior. People engage lawyers with experience. And the genius normally go and hold briefs. So it's sad. Say, we will make it as if lawyers are lazy. Lawyers are not ready to come to court. And so lawyers must appear at all costs. But we must also have a period of rest. And I was expecting, say, I was disappointed in the ruling of this woman. I was highly disappointed. I was like, wow, this is I don't see law. I see more of politics mixed with legal reasoning and a position of an agenda to ensure, say, oral cases are heard during the vacation. That's how I saw the judgment. And I can tell you, because it's only one judge, under Article 134 of our Constitution, B, Oppong, Nkrumah and Co. should go for review. I'm not convinced about the ruling of Justice Puamai. Review. Then we have 3 judges of the Supreme Court who sit on the review. If they sit on the review, now I'm far. Ghana Bar Association, let's begin to fight the judiciary, the bar, the bench legally. Don't allow the bench to intimidate us. The judges are our colleagues. We know them. They are our friends. We know how they enjoy legal vacation when they were lawyers. So how come say all of a sudden they tend to be as if they are working and we are lazy? That is the spirit of the ruling. As if lawyers are lazy. We don't want to. The Ghana Bar Association have spoken. Well, we must stand solely behind the Ghana Bar Association against the judicial, against the bench, the bar. Because in law, the bar must give respect to the bench, and the bench also equally must give respect to the bar. That is the code of conduct of judges. Judges are not there to lord it over lawyers. There must be mutual respect. Because at times we have the lawyers who are even senior than most of the judges. We have senior lawyers who are 50, 60 years at the bar. Other and in terms of seniority at the bar, and Okujato Blakomo, most of the Supreme Court judges are homogeneous. So the practicing lawyers are not babies, they are not children. We also know the law. Look, let's arise as Ghana Bar Association and let the judges know that we also know the law. We will frustrate you legally. Look, the lawyers of the accused person, when you go to court and a judge decide to proceed without the lawyers, raise a legal objection and go and file certiorari application at the Supreme Court. Add prohibition order against the trial judge who want to try oral. Files prohibition order and certiorari against Kukuvite and against the judge who want to try the cases. The 2 judges assigned to do oral cases file certiorari application and prohibition order, place it before the Supreme Court and serve them, the judges. Let's frustrate them until the legal vacation is over. Because your right as an accused person is at stake. Your right for fair hearing. You have engaged lawyers. Lawyers say they are on a vacation. So if I just tell you to go and look at lawyers and all the lawyers are on a vacation, how can you go and do your case? An accused person with your lawyer car. You your lawyer car. Lawyer they say my vacation. It will be to remember. Then how can the judge force you to do your case? Any judge who want to force you, please file a prohibition. You have found place before the Supreme Court. By that time, not 2, 3, but the legal application is over. Ghana Bar Association must fight this thing. Let's fight it. We can't sit down and let NDC destroy the judiciary and destroy the Ghana Bar Association. NDC want to destroy everything legal in this country. We can't sit down. Me, I'm enjoying my holidays. I will not go. Now, say me a lawyer in the matter. Oh, Jesus Christ. The trial judge and you are in trouble. I will frustrate you legally. I will be filing process every 3 seconds. Not file application. Every day, 24 hours application. Every day, one application after the other. Case number so that. May file Supreme Court every day. The case number bad, so the legal vacation is over. Legal vacation I can't less down even 1 month. Filing process is move frustrating the ruling. And one lawyer should not only file. There should be multiple lawsuits. We're filing and the panel we are filing numerator or we are filing. We lawyers will be filing until the vacation is over. And I pray, I know that this ruling of Puamai will be overturned by the Supreme Court. Whether this Supreme Court doesn't overturn it, thank God, under the same constitution, the Supreme Court is not bound by its previous decision. So it will change. We cherish our legal vacations. We will not surrender it on the altar of convenience because somebody want to do oral cases at all costs. So legal vacation, that is meant for all of us to rest. Lawyers are not. We are not. Look. We are having health issues. Lawyers have health issues. Judges have health issues. So legal vacation. Some people plan it for medical review outside the country and within. Rest is important. What will one month or 1.5 months do? So that's my opinion. I'm disappointed in the ruling. I've read it. In my view, the law is not. And I'll challenge it every day, because it affects me. I'm the officer of the court. Every lawyer is an officer of the court. We can't be treated as independent contractors, and nobody can force us to come to court and do cases. You write your ruling. We also we have the right. The judges, you can rule, and when you are there, if the judges you don't want to rest, we will make sure that you will not rest, because I was expecting. Just as of now, no. The Supreme Court judges in there, you should be rested, oh. You are aging, oh. Most of the Supreme Court judges are almost 80 to 70 years old. Medically, you have issues, oh. A lot of judges there, you have BP, you have issues with sugar, you have issues with your spinal cord, you have issues, Charlie, that you need to rest, oh. So from the Supreme Court judges should be resting. But if you say you will not rest, if you say you will not rest, legal vacation. When you said we lawyers should come to court every day and do trial, we will also make sure that we'll be filing cases before you. We all will break vacation. Cases say the bus are not Supreme Court. Then you see the difference between resting and coming to court. So the fact that the ruling says that lawyers we should go to court, nobody can force a lawyer to go to court. Nobody can force. It's my constitutional right, and nobody can buy a lawyer for not coming to court, especially in the legal vacation. We will defend our right to rest, which is crucial. The right to rest is divine. It's legal. It's constitutional. Our health is more important. The health of every lawyer is important than anything. I have lawyers who are doing cases and they are dead and life goes on. I can remember one of the finest lawyers, gentleman, lawyer Emisata, died with his grief. Do you know how many lawyers have collapsed in court? How many lawyers have died because of pressure? Do the pressure on the legal, pressure on ourselves? Pressure on the bench, because there's a problem and code that Supreme Court judges and the judges in the country. You know that Ghanaians cannot pay judges well in outside jurisdiction. Judge beat them for 2 cases for the whole year, and they will do justice because they charge well. But Ghana here, our clients can't pay. It won't allow about 200 cases. When I was very young, I can do 50 cases in a day. Shutting between Kokwa Affairs to the High Court, to Tama Court, to Winneba Court. We are all over. The lawyers are all over. Do it before the vacation. Yeah, bro. Now, you better how you are carrying people's problems additional to yours. Lawyers, we go through a lot. Apart from our own personal problems, our marital problems, our financial problems, our relationship problems, our family problems, our spiritual problems, and the general problems that every human face. We add people's problem because people who come to hire lawyers are sick legally. And the lawyers are carrying those problems. We can't sleep. The brief you read. You read so many briefs. People are pleadings, 100, 200 pages. You go to court, Oppong court, you come, and the cases are joining every day. And you one court per year cool. It's not easy, please, my lord. Let's rethink this issue. Let's not sacrifice the rest period of legal vacation because NDC is interested in jailing older people. They can jail after the vacation. If they want to jail, they should jail. But they should not take away our right to rest. That's my opinion.
And who they are to go for trim from them. But yes, no, young was there. Ebe omuko ditra first na bia obi ka someone no cry o awuza se monye no kwenti bia o ka se we entro me ha me hono se adwuma no ye jai bibia beba otenye no kwa bia no ye be correct record no mo bia ho se de omuka no no cry
honorable me dase sa se mo efiri ho na aba me dase pa because me de man ye me hu pa ne se nipa da saniti me ka se dota ba mea kramoni papa bi every preku abo whiskey na obi o Ghana ni a wono frem so we nipatimi gididi honorable se ase ne betwa bi a
won say ye na ya na ye didi say obi a access to information and obi a so you rational inti obi di tro nipa no otie tro na obi hu say enye no kre at NDC for no suban ni say ye enye no kre no obeka force ade ato so na obi a sebe oni sa information ni bi no wakwa yede wate na wati yedi ye boy hu modern free status ni ade so nipa he na akọ school nipa he na betumi afa court ruling no akenkan nipa he na sabi obetumi aka so ko internet so akọ search kakra nti omunim sa ni nti no machato atonkofo etirim ka be ya ye kan ya mako dijabo ka 22 billion Ghana cedis the whole Ghana fit independence ye more kasada on any transaction 22 billion Ghana cedis and no cry here can oma hero who destroy in a different way no manya aboafo be a journalist be a civil society for eboa some tumfutrungu nkofo ni nti problem na ye won dey e so papa we do be ya dey na so say on kan cry heading
but straight away you need say enkomo no GOLDBOD yeni eho enkomo aden na etinye abasa asem no mpacho yeni nkomo no adintra
but etinye na aba ho no ne asem American because NDC ogidi say asem na enye no kra no kaka obetumi akama na to nkofo trim eno na ama etinye aba ho enka etinye ni bebia yi maminkai wahwefo no wetie kakra April 2025 aban ne ba 4 months or then the budget by parliament. Making time muna okaya dom kumano budget debate ni catch them say yehudi amoye economy ni bibia so sisa the amoye ni say you about me domestic gold purchase program no the buy no reserves na AUD no eno na mu yi na mo pompi go market no so the mu artificial supply of dollar ama na create impression say economy na yi artificial supply of dollar no ya dollar be ba form nti no na mo no
bitesi the way eye juma na ehu me ntanya bit but we the bitesi de onyame nim me pensa but we the the way bo juma no de akọ na ohene ba ko pe na yi o hini so offend say ahinsa so ini when is ahinsa kumasi ahinsa Nkrumah akum nam biswa akwanam biswa benswa limited powerful into the me I recommend this one for everybody before God and man my tasty ejuma bono anu edin ayeshi into no obi anko gibi. Now before I'm supposed to share tell me if he's trending and very interesting trending and I think say it's sad. It's sad. GOLDBOD ni Bank of Ghana. Anytime Bank of Ghana governor yi, Mama one, this man came to cause financial loss to the seats. And Mama part number two is still causing financial loss. This one together with Sami Jefi. The GOLDBOD loss no. Ghana for. And yet the loss no pay no. There are some people who are benefiting from the loss. That is where Ghanaians should be interested. Oh, loss nearby no. GOLDBOD, NDC Bank of Ghana. And now no, and I'm so the Bank of Ghana, Aboka, and I can't have GOLDBOD there. What first way profit? But GOLDBOD activities and the Bank of Ghana activities they can never poor. So now who cause some? The person who caused the loss, GOLDBOD can. So if GOLDBOD can, what is Sami Jefi talking about? Sami Jefi, listen to me. And then what by what power? The judiciary is in the pocket of the the government. Parliament is in the pocket. And you see GOLDBOD, no Sami Jefi, you have become so powerful because and then gold, and holding the economy. And we know the way you dash money, wakuma, the way wakuma, we a show boy. We pay ye can show how yeah. And we know some of the fee. I saw for all show more, also about Twitter, and some they know shirao. You may pay the name scout, they come most of and you know, Paul, Danka Williams to be cast a mon pie. And he all shouts for no. Some of the fee, and that's all about our media for no chia. Say the media house over here to make ourselves a media few chia papa. Oh, show boys no. Uba civil society there, Jai. Who to say mamu feel it? Civil society. There's so-called experts for no. Some of the fish show more. And appoint politicians no. Some of the fish taking care of them. The party soldiers. And you know, some of the fish is sorting people out. And because the government is in power, and a court is available to you can go to court. You can go to court. Some of you will go court. Nobody will go to court. Afenyo Markin will never go to court. Because you see, extortion. What is extortion? Only money be extorting money. If you have not caused loss, you'll be extorting money. Now you see, when extortion is a crime, under section 151 of the Criminal Offences Act. Why don't you go and report? He who alleges must prove. Jai Kasano, Jai Tobo no. Say Afenyo Markin on there. Because on there no ko see you unim say court no. Currently no NDC court. You know. And Afenyo Markin will not even try to go and sue because my advice Afenyo Markin say Afenyo Markin me ko sue. Currently the way the judiciary is no. Who ko sue MPP you don't have favor in the eyes of the judiciary. It is something the fear shedaka. Come opa ye fe ko sue me na hwe obo a trap. Usu na bibi mfimu ma. Obedi nkunim na ba ni so. And the police the men found because police for no we say we know how the police service is working. Now we have say you know I renew the contractor. He's also everywhere. Some of the fees conquer the police because the judiciary. Now be an about to be power now. We to be information. Now you to be on appeal or succeed. It is a trap. I see, but this trap. Let me tell you something. They say what be money to know. You have a lot of people supporting you. Sure, Ghana have more comedy on the media for no. Oh, I may have Ganda mama. Kevin tell am o me. Oh, I saw for no more kasa. So it will seem as if you have the people around you, but remember, when power changes, all these people are amakasa mom no bia be you ama. Obia be you ama. Obia be kasa ma wo. Saneki o. Now, how many people who are town for? Some of you there you see say, even your own party, no more no. Hey, Gandhi, go to my deputy general secretary. What can you know? Say NDC no, I won't know. Some of you feel the way you are treating GOLDBOD as your personal property. Nah. Oh yeah, you have money, you don't respect, you insult everybody. It's because you have money today and your government is power. It will be a door. Bible said depend ya do wadue. Depend ya do wadue. Omo do nya because of the money di won. Ma aban sisa na bo say ye frɛ wo yoko ana ye frɛ wo special prosecutor na wo kokota obi ndi wechi nko. Because obeka just what you na udi gold no mudi jabi. Mantia money ni ana waye mo police analyst mantia me ne tiade wo transfer college. This small mantia na come deep mantia minute there come dear de ne why ye because GOLDBOD the man is to bekan cause some Ghana for. Listen to me, I will analyze the GOLDBOD issue, but the second part remember we when they say response about, but I can tell some immediately on authority say there is no way out. The minority leader will go to court. Don't worry. Uncle Reporto, he who alleges must prove. Why should you dare somebody say, "Ye fe, oh ye fe"? Boss, what buying what power into no enkusiaga? And next right, GOLDBOD, the do kokota enkusiaga. The judiciary there is to protect you. The judiciary will protect you. Yoko will protect you. Special prosecutor will protect you. Parliament will protect you. The media is protecting you. Everybody is protecting somebody. We know that's the system. That's the resetting agenda. So why should we worry? But you see, the loss is a loss. You can't wipe away the loss. And the loss has no expiry date too. When we begin to scrutinize the activities of GOLDBOD, and you see, I always tell Ghana, say, don't look at the loss. Look at the people who benefited from the loss. The loss is strategically. Ghana bokanomu didi. Sami Jemfi, munye shushemwa nko the godfathers who are behind Sami Jemfi's appointment may be benefiting from the loss. Sami Jemfi godfathers are benefiting from the loss. This is for a mafia. Sure, I say gold no. Gold ne bet wako tono 10 CD. You talk gold do 10 CD ya. Ne atoma 10 CD. You talk about 10 CD ya. Na wakasa no gold no. You saw a talk about 20 CDs. Look, there are so many things. Everybody who is into gold business is a mafia. Gold business is a mafia business. So there are people who are benefiting from the loss. And when there is change of government, we will go back and find out who are making the states through these locks. But the Bank of Ghana governor, the only day is known. And so that NPP for Nukojina, Akono, Mamamo, Ejano, and Wababe repeat. Boka 22 billion Ghana in the store. Now, some so and I'm ha. But you see,